Hello, and welcome to this video on locating, linking to, and using your reading lists. I'm Claire, and I'm one of the Academic Liaison Librarians here at York St John. Every module you'll study will have a reading list. It's designed by the module team to make sure you have the key resources available to you to both study the subjects within that module and to complete the assessments that you will have to do as part of it. Lots of students access their reading lists through a link in Moodle, which is our virtual learning environment. Generally, you will find the link to your reading list in the Learner Support section. You can also access reading lists through the Access My Reading List link on the library homepage. This is under the I Want To menu at the top of the page, and also under the Library Resources menu further down the page. You can search by module title or module code. Different module teams set up their reading lists in different ways according to the needs of the teaching and learning and assessment that will go on within that module. There are three main ways though. Sometimes they are arranged thematically, so by subsection, different subjects within that module. Other modules are arranged by weekly reading. This is very common. So for each week of the module, you'll be given essential reading and additional reading that directly links to what you'll be studying that week. And finally, some reading lists are arranged with all essential reading for the module in one section and further reading in another. So you can pick and choose the ones that are most appropriate for your needs at that moment in time. Where the resource is available online, we have made the link available, and you just need to click the View Online button on the right-hand side of the screen. Sometimes we're not able to make something available online because it's too old or because the publisher doesn't want to. If this is the case, if you click on the title of the item, it will tell you whereabouts it is available in the library. Although they are called reading lists, you'll notice that lots of them contain things that aren't just books. You'll see clips of online programs, different websites, podcasts, and other audio-visual materials. Every program has a dedicated academic librarian, so if you have further questions about using your reading lists or any of the other resources you'll need to use as you go through your course, please don't hesitate to either book an appointment with your librarian or email the Academic Liaison team at academicliaisonteam@yorksj.ac.uk.